Welcome to the installation video of the ARIES Fender Flare side marker lights. These are the tools needed to complete the installation. This product is intended to be paired with the ARIES 4-inch Jeep Fender Flares. For the full Fender Flare installation, see our Jeep Wrangler 4-inch Fender Flare installation video. With the stock flare and inner well removed, locate the side marker wiring harness. Press in on the locking tabs and remove the wiring harness from the wheel well. Prepare the wiring harness by first removing the plastic mounting tab on the wiring harness with a utility knife. Next, remove the black electrical tape near the gray quick plug of the harness. Make a slit in the casing to expose the inner wires. Remove the gray quick plug with the wire snips. Cut the white and green wire about 1 inch shorter to offset the splice positions. Prepare the wires for splicing by stripping the ends of both wires. Remove roughly 4 inches of the flex wire cover from the prepared end of the wiring harness. Using the top mounting location on top of the fender flare as a guide, mark the crown of the outside of the wheel well where the side marker will be installed. Center punch the marked location. Drill a pilot hole and widen with a 3/8 inch drill bit. Make sure to drill through both sides of the round tube. Seat the rubber light housing into the drilled hole. Use this as a template to punch the positions for the 2 mounting screws. Use these marks as a guide and drill 2 9/64 inch pilot holes. Route the wiring harness through the fender flare. A guide wire can be used to help guide the harness through if needed. Route the wire down through the drilled hole and out the access hole. Tape the trimmed end of the harness to the end of the guide wire and pull the harness through the fender flare. Remove the electrical tape. Route the wires on the back of the side marker through the middle hole in the rubber light housing. To prepare the marker wires for splicing, first cut the yellow wire 1 inch shorter. Strip both the ends of the side marker wires. Using the provided heat shrink butt connectors, splice the yellow wire of the marker to the white and green wire of the harness, and white wire of the marker to the black wire of the harness. Apply heat from a torch or heat gun to shrink the butt connectors onto the wires. Feed the spliced wires down into the previously drilled hole on the fender flare. Seat the rubber light housing and side marker over the drilled holes. Place the supplied screws through the side marker and into the fender flare by using a drill and Phillips bit on a low torque setting or a Phillips screwdriver. Place the fender flare into position. Route the wire back to the quick plug, reconnect, and complete this process for the opposite side of the vehicle. You are now ready to complete the installation of your fender flares. Be sure to test your new side marker lights for proper operation. Congratulations on the installation of your brand new ARIES Fender Flare side marker lights.